Hi, welcome. Let's start with the top stories. Infosys. The company collaborates with Rain Energy to help enterprises drive their energy transition and sustainability agenda. Now, Reliance Industries. Rosneft, that is a Russian based energy company that will supply 5 lakhs barrel per day of crude to India's Reliance in the largest energy deal between the two countries. Reliance, on the other hand, acquires 74% stake in Navi Mumbai IIA for 1,628 crores. IIA means Integrated Industrial Area. Railway Amendment Bill has been passed. In the next 5 years, Railways will replace all the old coaches in its train with 100% new LHB coaches. LHB coaches means Linke Hofmann Busch, a German company that developed the passenger coaches used by Indian Railways. On demand, about 12,000 general coaches are being made. Railway Minister said that 1.23 lakh kilometers long old tracks have been replaced. This is a big boost for railway coaches manufacturing stocks. SEBI has given a framework on retail participation in algo trading. SEBI has said broker to provide algo trading after exchange permission. Now, fertilizer stocks. Finance Ministry seeks Parliament nod for extra spending of 6,595 crores for fertilizer subsidy. ECB cuts rates again and keeps door open to further cuts. And Fed meet next week and expecting rate cut. Market should do well from next week onwards. Smart people will dump and buy again. Now let's look at FIA data. Yesterday, FIA were net buyers for 2,335 crores. This is a boost for the market. And DIs were net sellers for 732 crores. Now let's have a look at the bulk deal. DB International Asia Limited bought 2 lakh shares of Committed Cargo Care Limited on 12th December. Now let's have a look at the technical part. This is a Nifty daily time frame. Last video, that is on Thursday, I had mentioned that market is bullish, undercurrent it is bullish, but market fell today due to that FIA has sold heavily on Thursday. They have sold nearly 2,500 crores, and finally because of that market fell on Friday, and later on it recovered. If you see, if you already have mentioned the FIA data, they have purchased nearly 2,400 crores on Friday. If you take at yesterday chart, Nifty made a low of 24,180 and high is 24,792, and finally it closed at 24,768, that is 219 points positive. And if you take this 5th December, that is previous expiry, not last Thursday, before that expiry. That day market was very volatile. That day Nifty made a low of 24,295, and later on that day also market closed at 24,708. Even that day was very volatile. On taking that into consideration, I have mentioned 24,300 as a support. Along with that, the 40 days and 100 days moving average are comfortably placed at 24,350 to 24,500 levels. But if you take yesterday, Nifty broke both the moving average as well as it broke the 5th December low of 24,295, and it made a low of 24,180. And second half, if you take the second half of the session, market went like a rocket, and it broke all the, even after breaking all the support, it went sharply, and it closed nearly 24,768. This is such a high volatile market. Actually, everyone expected this to happen day before yesterday, that is on Thursday. But to everyone's surprise, this volatility came on Friday. This purely due to the short covering created by the large cap stocks. One more thing, we got a news that for the past 2 weeks there has been a considerable reduction in the option trading volume by 30%. If this kind of volatility continues, then you can expect a further reduction in the option volume. Then most of the traders will be getting out of the market. Technically speaking, markets are bullish only or under the long control. As I told, 24,800 to 850 is the 50% retracement, the Fibonacci retracement of the fall. That 24,800 to 850 will act as a resistance. If Nifty crosses that level, you can expect 25,150. That is a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. You can expect Nifty to test those levels. Now let have a look on the weekly chart. That weekly chart is in the uptrend. If you take this indicator, it is in the positive zone, which is bullish trend only. But for the past 3 weeks, if you take at the levels, Nifty seems to be in the sideways. Next week you can expect a very big move on the higher side. If the price trades about Nifty trades about 24,775, then the target price will be 24,850, which is the first resistance. Once that level is crossed, immediately Nifty will touch 25,000 levels. Now let's come back to the daily chart. If you take this daily time frame, Nifty was in the sideways from 6th of December till 12th of December. For the 5 consecutive days, it was in the sideways, and it looked as if market was consolidating. But unexpectedly, yesterday market fell in the morning and it broke all the support. But at the end of the day, it crosses all the resistance and it crossed this level 24,691. That was the immediate resistance. As it crossed that level, that market became bullish again. And if you take this trend line, if you draw the trend line from this low, yesterday's close was nearly touching that trend line. Once Nifty crosses this above this level, that is 24,850, which is nothing but this high 24,857, that acts as a resistance. If Nifty crosses that level, you can expect a fresh leg of buy in the market. And if you take up the indicators, as usual, there's no much change in the indicator direction. It is all in the positive zone. See, once if you follow the technicals, and if you do any trades, you can minimize your loss and you can expand your profit margin. It's always better to follow some method, do your personal homework, and if you do back test also. In case if you have any doubt, you just put a comment on it. I can help you in some way.